Hello everyone, last video we have used this mobile phone send a short message to country A8S board the relay by the 4G module, but this video I will show you how to use this 4G module and this board connect to your cloud server by MQTT directly, so that you not need to send this test short message, just you can send a message to your MQTT block server. That will be easy for make mobile phone application and for the remote country. Okay, let's begin how to do with it. Let's look at the hardware firstly. We have used this 4G module, and this is the antenna, and this one I have used the 12-volt power supply, and this Type-C USB cable have connected with my computer, so that I will download the Arduino code from this USB port. Okay, let's look at this is lesson 36 that we will remote control this relay and with the 4G module by the MQTT AT command. So you can see here is MQTT, the key point of a step. That is for message, publish message, and that is for subscriber topic from the MQTT block. So this is example, and this is example, and that have many details in this document you can download, and that is from Simcon. So there are many MQTT command details, but I want to show you easily, not need to see so much code. And this is the source code of Arduino. I have already downloaded. You can see here that almost not very much code. So I can download it, and you will see the result. You can see I can upload. And here you can see just replace the publish, and this is the subscribe topic. This topic is defined by yourself. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have used this as an ID for this board. If you have many board, you just replace this number for different number. Okay, now you can see the download complete. And you can see this MQTT box that I have, you can see create this connect with Kinkoni MQTT cloud server. You can replace for your cloud server by this IP address or by this domain name and the port. And this is username and the password. And just click save. And you can see this is subscriber. That is for send a control command, turn on and turn off relay to this topic. And this is subscriber to the state topic, so that we need to know the relay board, what is the state in real time. So you just subscribe and subscribe. And you can see this is payload. We need to turn on relay 1, just like this payload. This payload also can use for other Kinkoni controller. You can see I can publish. That is published. Relay 1 is on. And you can see now relay 1 is on. And now you can see the feedback. Relay 1 is on. So this just use this board, no Wi-Fi, no network cable, and just only by the 4G card and the communication with the cloud server. So that you can see I have sent the command to the cloud server for this payload, and turn on this relay 1, and then the board will feedback the state to my computer. So this is the simplest example for turn on the relay and the feedback the relay state by the MQTT. Okay, let's look at some details. Now let's look at this Arduino code. You can see this code is not very complete. And here you can see this is a publish topic, and this is subscriber topic. And this is a hand, and this is a finish, and for the command state, and this is for set command. This ID you can replace by yourself, just distinguish the different board. You can use the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just according to you, you can change any just for the different board. And here you can see that is for client ID. This client ID also you can replace by yourself in any client ID. Just every board will connect with the cloud server, and the board will have a client ID. And this is the cloud server domain name or IP address, and the port and the MQTT is the username, and 123 is the password. So you can see here you can see here is the information. And this is for set command. And here you can see when relay is on and when relay is off. You can see here when relay is off. So that is example for the relay 1 on and relay 1 off. So that you can copy and paste this section of the code for relay 3, relay 4, relay 5 until relay 6 and then until relay 8 channel. So this is very easy, just to decode when it's on and off. And this step just is connect with the MQTT cloud server. Now I will show you how it works. We can press this button and for reset, and we will use server monitor to see what is work. And the server monitor. Okay, you can see the progress. The first is set the config is on. Okay, and you can see some step that is Kinkuni, and the some is Kinkuni username and the password and the domain name. This error I think you not need to see it because some config I have already set for the 4G module. You just directly to use. And you can see that is okay for the topic and connect to the cloud server successfully. So when this time, you can see I can send this command. I can clear this, and this monitor from the ESP32. So I can turn on relay. You can see I can press relay is on, and you can see here that the MQTT message have received, and the message have sent to the state topic. So you can see here the progress when I send the command, and the ESP32 will receive this one, and also this is received, and also will send the feedback message to this topic. And so that if you have a mobile phone application or PC application, will update the state from this topic. That message really is on. So this is the progress of the MQTT communication for the A8S board. Okay, thanks for watching.